Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Happy Sunday to you, depending on where you are hearing my voice from. Yes, just like I have always preached, blockchain ecosystem is the best thing that has happened to humanity. It gave us the power to do cryptocurrency trading or any crypto-related businesses without having a central body. Imagine you want to become a breed change and you want to start exchanging fiat currency to other currencies. You will have to go through a central body, and if you don't know anybody, if you don't have any connection, you can't do such business. Crypto trading, forex trading, those are the businesses the banks do with our money, and they don't give us anything in return. So guys, why not explore the blockchain ecosystem, especially the crypto trading aspect of it, to start making money for yourself, especially when you have a tool that can even do the business for you. You don't need to have a crypto knowledge to do that. You don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to send money to any bank. You don't need to send any money to any company or to tell anybody to trade for you. All you will do is to fund your capital in your exchange, on any exchange of your choice, connect the AI to, and it keeps buying and selling crypto for you. You don't need to be on the chart monitoring the crypto market movement. You don't need to be on your system. You don't need to be awake. You don't need to have your internet on daily to be able to do the business. All you do is to connect the smart AI to your exchange, and money keeps dropping for you. The only challenge is if you don't have capital to start. I must be sincere with you. Crypto trading needs large capital. If you have good sum of money, you can concentrate on just 10 major cryptocurrencies we have and trade them. At every day you will keep making profit for yourself. So guys, cryptocurrency trading is the best way to go. It is the easiest way to generate income for yourself. Stop depending on your government to do all those things for you. Make a move now.
To pass landmark crypto legislation, the House passing the Genius Act, which will regulate stablecoins. That will now head to President Trump's desk to be signed into law. The House also passed the Clarity Act, which will determine if an asset is defined as a security and how it will be regulated. It also passed a third bill banning the central bank from issuing digital currencies, but these two still need to pass the Senate. The moves helping to lift the crypto space today, with Ether up sharply, Bitcoin also on the move, now back above 120,000 USD. So much to unpack here with Nick Bhatia. He's the founder of the Bitcoin Layer. It's a research company, joining me live this morning out of Los Angeles. Nick, welcome to the program. The Genius Act just passed the House with bipartisan support. This really is the regulatory clarity that the crypto industry has been waiting for. What's your immediate reaction?
It's great to see the United States finally getting a Republican and Democrat joining together and promoting a U.S. regulation that takes stable coins into the mainstream financial system. And that has been a long time coming. We know that Tether, with over $160 billion in U.S. dollar stablecoin equivalents, this is a non-U.S. vehicle, and it was time that the U.S. got its act together and finally passed the legislation that allows stablecoins to become a U.S. entity.
So, Nick, who do you see as the winners and losers in this big U.S. regulatory pivot?
The winners are U.S. financial institutions, with no doubt. This is going to favor them. As we see the system progress now into U.S. dollar stablecoins, we'll see the largest banks get involved in a very serious way and finally pose that challenge to the existing stablecoin infrastructure, which is a vast majority offshore. And so this brings it onshore. So the winners will be the U.S. onshore dollar system. But at large, the Bitcoin ecosystem really benefits from this because Bitcoin is the collateral, the underlying digital collateral of this new system. stablecoins only exist because of a market demand to buy Bitcoin in a digital environment. So we have to remember why this whole thing started. It's because of Bitcoin. And so the entire Bitcoin ecosystem, as well as the mainstream US financial onshore system, will both benefit from this.
So, Nick, do you think it's reasonable to expect that we will see more large US financial institutions, in particular the banks, launching their own stablecoins now?
I do. I think that's a base expectation. We actually know that many of these banks have been involved in digital currency experiment.